Works with Alexa for voice control, hub required and included, Alexa device sold separately. Choose from 16 million colors to turn your everyday lighting into an extraordinary experience. Create light schedules to ease you to sleep, wake you up and ensure you never come home to a dark house. Voice control for Alexa, Apple HomeKit, or Google Assistant, 3-color A19 LED smart light bulbs plus a Hue bridge that manages up to 50 lights. Expand your system with up to 12 Hue accessories sold separately, such as a Hue Dimmer Switch, Hue Tap, or Hue Motion Sensor. To install, simply screw in the smart bulbs into your desired light location, download the Hue mobile app and pair your Hue bridge. Control smart bulb-equipped lamps and overhead lights via the Philips Hue app. Ideal for your favorite ceiling fan lights, floor lamps, table lamps, pendant lights, and more throughout your home. Easily expand your lighting system with accessories sold separately, such as a Hue Dimmer Switch, Hue Tap, or Hue Motion Sensor. Pair it for automation with your existing Nest or SmartThings system. Top reviews from the United States. A fantastic home automation product. I bought these on a whim, not really knowing what to expect or how I'd actually put the system to use in my house, but it was a good deal on Prime Day, so I pulled the trigger. Knowing good and well my wife was going to hate it. Setup is as easy as screwing in a light bulb, pushing a button. I haven't had any issues pairing bulbs to my hub or things not showing up in the mobile app, on Android or iOS. The colored light aspect of these is a little gimmicky, but I suspect if you know what you're doing with colored lights, you could do special things with these. The real magic in these for me is the ability to control the brightness and warmth. They're great for having some light in my living room at night while watching TV, for having some light in the morning while waking up without being blinded. I am not sure if the white plus ambience only lights can match the range of warm light the color ambience bulbs provide, but I'll be picking up a few of those next to give them a try. This is a fantastic product and great starter kit, well worth the cost at full price if you can afford it.